So to make this beautiful bag you're seeing, you will need just one panel, just one rectangle. So the first you're going to do is to spread your material, and you measure out your 31 inches, 31 inch by 15 inches wide. Your length will be 31, then the wideness will be 15 inches. So you will mark out your measurement, and then you connect with your rule. When you're done connecting with your rule, you cut at the marked measurement. You cut at, remember, we just need a piece of this, just one piece, is one big rectangle. So when you're done from the side, you take in, going by 5 inches from both sides. So when you're done connecting, the 5 inches you're going in from both sides, this is the first part. If you're done, you connect with your line. You also go inches by 5 inch here and connect with your line, with your rule rather. So when we are done doing that, we'll first of all take this over to the machine and fold, give a folding and match, sew on the tip to give it a nice finishing. Just take it over to the machine and sew on it. So the next thing, do you remember that 5 inches we went in earlier? So you have to place this your webbing across the marked line, the one you marked earlier. Just place it like this and sew using your sewing machine.